What's going on, YouTube? I know everyone read the title, and that's why you're here. And yes, it is hilarious. All right, let's get into it.
Why not?
No, don't hurt.
Fried chicken, man. Get some rookie.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. And he said, get some rookie. And that's the face of someone that's going to talk crap if you mess this up. And it gets even funnier.
That's what I said dinner tonight.
She gonna call the chicken a rooster. It's a hen.
This is for the Christmas party.
Yeah, that's a chicken.
That's a hen.
And if it was a rooster, I ain't touching it. I got bad luck with it. Come on, now get on, get. Get on, get now.
He said, I have bad luck with roosters. Okay.
Get on, get. Get on, get.
Come on, Rocky, get chicken. Come on, Rocky.
Bruh.
He's running, tase it. No. She can.
Come here now. Boy, don't pick me.
Get it, grab it,
Bro.
Peck you, now she can't call you.
Hey, this ain't faster than it look. Oh, bruh, no. No. No.
Yeah, you got fruit? Who got chicken over here? Who got chicken over here?
You don't get. You don't get. You don't. You don't. Go. Got it.
Yeah, she over here. See that piece right there?
Oh my goodness. Well, guys, if you liked the video, be sure to like the video and comment if you could have gotten it quicker, because I probably would have. I don't know. Well, all right, guys. Till next time.